Here on claim 1160P691V. We're here on the west front slope doing a repairability test. We got our snake bar insurance approved tool. We can go ahead and get this shingle out so we can do the repair. And again, we're gonna do the movements only as necessary as possible, being as gentle as possible, not damage the surrounding area. Only making the necessary movement to get this out. All right, sorry for the pause, guys. I was trying to figure out what's going on with these nails. I couldn't get them out, but this is a double layered roof, and unfortunately we won't be able to warranty this. See, some creases were already created, and that was just to barely remove the tab without even removing the nails. So therefore I'm gonna deem this unrepairable. Hey guys, we're back here in the back on the east back side, on claim number 1160P691V, and we're gonna attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle, again using the snake bar tool, insurance approved tool. And being general as possible to have the least possible collateral damage around this. Take a look, you know, all this debris. It makes it hard for it to adhere. Look at this, double layer. I'm gonna go ahead and deem this as well as unrepairable for the same reason. You can also go ahead and look at this. We got damage from the previous repair that was done here or approved. See all the damage, domino effect. If we would have done a repairability test on this, I would have deemed it unrepairable as well.